Smart lighting is one of the easiest ways to convert your home into a smart home. You can change the feel of a room completely, sync them up to the beat of your music, have them light up your front pathway at night time, among many other things. Today we're going to take a look at how the Philips Hue Starter Kit can kickstart your smart home and go through some of the benefits of smart lighting. Smart lighting, put simply, is a source of light that can be controlled remotely. It adds convenience, security, and personal expression to how you light your surroundings. You can turn them on or off, change brightness, and even change colours in real time from an app on your phone or by voice if you have a home voice assistant. If the idea of a smart home is interesting but still a little overwhelming, then a smart lighting kit is a great place to start and requires very little tech know-how to set it up by yourself. The Philips Hue Starter Kit is the perfect entry point to that smart home world. It comes with 3 globes that not only match the warm or cool tones of the standard light globes you're used to seeing, they also have a full spectrum of colours to choose from at any time. All 3 lights can be controlled by the app together or separately with the use of the included bridge. From there, all you need to do is choose what colour you want your lights to be. Aside from the ability to change the tone or colour of the globe at any time, smart lighting like the Philips Hue is much more energy efficient compared to the old school energy guzzling globes. Movie nights and gatherings with friends are made even better with the lights synced to the beat of the music. But smart lighting goes beyond fun. If you've ever gotten home with your hands full and fumbled around to hit the light switch, Philips Hue lighting paired with a home assistant allows you to just tell your lights to turn on by voice. And if you go away for the weekend, you can set your lights to turn on and off at random intervals, deterring potential security threats in your home. There's a better look into just some of the things that smart lighting can do and how the Philips Hue Starter Kit can kickstart your smart home. If you'd like to know more, contact your local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.